In this video, I'm going to show you how to flatten comments in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is have some comments inside your PDF. I have 4 of them over here, and you can view them by going to the left here and clicking on this comment button, and it's going to show you all of them. So here, as you can see, I have a typewriter, text box, a callout, and then a text highlight. Now, to actually flatten these, which basically what it does is basically it allows you to actually fix those in place, and it's not going to give you the option to actually move them around, edit them, etc. So you want to go to the review tab up top, and then from here, as you can see, it's going to say flatten comments. Now, if you have any of these comments selected, you'll be able to flatten just that one. So for example, if I select this text box over here, I can go to flatten comments up top and click on flatten, and that specific comment is going to get flattened. As you can see, I can't move it around anymore, and it's not even showing over here on the left hand side anymore because it's basically being fixed into the PDF and it's not even recognized as a comment anymore. So that's the first way to do it. However, if you'd like to flatten all of them at once, you could go and do that too. For example, go to the flatten comments, click on flatten comments again, and then select the page ranges you want to do that in, and then just leave it all on flatten here, press OK, and all of these are going to get flattened. As you can see, the comments are not visible anymore because they've been basically embedded into the PDF. Of course, you could only do it for some of them as well. So for example, if I select this, hold down my Control key, and select this one as well, I have these two selected, I could go to flatten comments, click on flatten, and then only those two are gonna get flattened. So that's how this actually works. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.